The yellow van and the gray sedan on the opposite lane both fail to yield at an intersection, causing the sedan to hit the van straight at its gas tank. The van explodes and goes up in flames, hitting another car in the process. Luckily uninjured, the drivers of all three vehicles involved can be seen stepping out and running away from the fire. The driver of this FedEx Semi and the pickup right behind seems to have been distracted by the police stop, as sparks suddenly fly when the pickup that was pulling a trailer rear-ends the Semi before swerving uncontrollably and ending up in front of the Semi with visible damages. Fortunately, no one was injured. Just past midnight, a car and a cement mixer, both running fast at an intersection, end up hitting each other, causing the cement mixer to fall on its side, partially landing on the car. The female driver of the car had to be rescued by EMTs after getting stuck. Strangely, the truck driver reportedly jumped out and walked away like nothing happened. No serious injuries were reported. A car that was signaling to turn at an intersection gets rammed head-on by an incoming SUV that was running too fast to stop. The impact was so strong that it caused both vehicles to do a 180. Despite the serious damages that can be seen on both vehicles, the drivers suffered no injuries. The driver of this tractor miscalculated the length of the trailer it was pulling and hits the center concrete barrier while attempting to steer away from the overpass. No other cars were affected. Instead of stopping at a red light, the driver of the black sedan sideswipes multiple vehicles before rear-ending a Honda SUV, pushing it to the middle of the intersection. In a strange turn of events, the driver at fault can be seen running on foot before entering another vehicle from the rear passenger seat and fleeing the scene. No further details were shared on this strange and terrible accident. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment to tell us what you think. For now, let's move on to our next video. As the car to the right of the recording vehicle signals right, the driver passes the corner carefully, but another car appears from its blind spot, causing a loud collision that left both vehicles totaled. This home CCTV camera captures the exact moment a crossover suddenly crashes onto a parked minivan before rolling and landing upside down. The driver at fault can be seen walking out, clearly uninjured, who later admitted that he was not paying attention to the road.
I thought that you'd treat me better, but I know you won't. I told myself I would give no one else.
The sedan on the left was running at 70 miles per hour on the wrong lane. The driver would luckily miss a few incoming cars before hitting the concrete barrier and hitting multiple cars along the way. No further details were reported on this accident. Let's hope no one was seriously injured.
Cannot connect to the emergency services. Honda Link Assist was unable to connect to a Bluetooth phone, or the phone could not be connected to a cellular network.
This driver learned the hard way to never drive while drowsy, as he can clearly be heard yawning seconds into the video before reaching a residential road and running straight into a parked car. He can be heard moaning in pain but did not suffer any injuries. The cars, on the other hand, were severely damaged. The gray Yaris was distracted and failed to stop at the red light, causing a forceful collision with a Dodge Tacoma that was recording the footage. Pictures show serious damages on both vehicles. The driver of the Yaris admitted to his mistake and was thankful that no one was hurt in the accident.
Kasi hindi ko sila nakapark sa mga eh.
Dumanang una eh. Pangalawa na yung tumawid din yung footage.
Ako, kasi hindi mo sinasabi niya hindi niya nakita. Or kaya nawala, i-face out na natin yung mga jeep. Okay naman talaga i-face out. Yung talagang lumang-luma na. Saka yung kulorong, daming kulorong talaga.
Kapag dito pala lagi yung TO.
Grabe ang ano.
Sabi ng ng LTO, kung talagang dito siyempre na 12,000 ang driver ang mawawala ng lisensya.
Mga tayo. Wala na.
Hindi na yung galaw. Huling kaso niya na yun. Hindi mo nakasuyo. Yung galaw niya na yan, huling ano niya na lang yan.
Sabi ko nga sa driver kahapon, dapat may mandatory test sa mga driver mo. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, mahirap diba? Sabi ko sa kanya, mahirap.
This unfortunate incident, recorded on two different CCTV cameras, cost the life of the 90-year-old student, who can be seen crossing cautiously on a pedestrian lane. But the driver of the public Jeep in the Philippines failed to stop and hits the child, who then falls and gets trampled under the Jeep's wheels. The child was rushed to the hospital but sadly did not survive. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Scary Dashcam Vids. Please drive carefully out there, because we wouldn't want to see you featured in our next video.